iSTEM4Me.
Hi, welcome to a demo of our first issue of iSTEM4Me. iSTEM4Me is your child's gateway to the world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics for the 21st century. iSTEM4Me is a self-directed, web-based learning environment designed to incite students' interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. iSTEM4Me is for elementary, middle, and high school students. Now, this digital platform is it actually a digital magazine and it's interactive. So that's the format of this environment. In this demo, we will focus on helping you to become familiar with features of this environment and show you how to navigate through this environment. Now, I'd like to take some time to go over the benefits before we go ahead. And one of the benefits of iSTEM4Me is that you can access this environment, or your child will be able to access environment on a computer, a laptop, a mobile device, such as an iPad, an Android tablet, Kindle Fire tablet, or a smartphone. If you're a parent, iSTEM4Me will help you to nurture your child's curiosity in STEM. If you're a teacher or a school administrator, you can use iSTEM4Me as an instructional aid with Smartboard or some other interactive digital whiteboard. It's also a great supplement to an after school program. Now, we're going to go ahead and move to the next page and reactivate the sound. On each page or on selected pages, we have audio guided messages. So let's see what happens on the next page.
Welcome to iSTEM4Me, Liftt Inc's innovative technology platform for elementary, middle, and high school students. iSTEM4Me is your gateway to the world of science.
And we'll go ahead and mute that. And one thing I want to call your attention to, one feature is this envelope up here. You hover over that, you'll see share with your friends. If you click on that, notice that you can share iSTEM4Me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, MySpace, or you can even email it to someone. So that's a great feature. Now, the page we're looking at is actually the theme page. And the theme for the first issue is the mind of an engineer. Design it, build it, and test it. Now, I sort of have pressed mute for this page. If you click it again, you may hear something. Okay, I guess we got through the sound. But you do have the ability to turn the audio on or off just by selecting this mute icon. Let's go to the next page. Now, on this page, it just communicates who are the designers of this environment. And notice that you have two middle school students who are helping to design the environment. One is the technology specialist and one as the digital media specialist. So let your child know that we are taking into consideration what students want, and we're listening to students. We're involving students in designing the interactive features and experience of the child. Notice you click at the top in these arrows, and that's how you go back and forth to the left or right. We'll move to the next page right now. The theme for this June issue of iSTEM4Me is The Mind of an Engineer. This STEM learning platform will expose you to games, simulations, and explorations related to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Engineers don't always have the right answers right away, but they are committed to solving problems. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and turn the sound off right now. So we got something here. It says click the image below. As I hover over, notice it gets a little lighter. That means that the actual image is a hyperlink. Let's go ahead and do what it says. Let's click the image and see what happens. So what pops up is a PDF document. And this document in particular deals with answering common questions about engineering. what is engineering, and just dealing with some of the things that would be of interest to a child if they're thinking about a career or just want to know more about engineering. Now, you can actually print this document, you can save it. So there's some things that you're actually able to take away from the environment. We go ahead and click this X to cause it to disappear. And we're going to move to the next page. Now, I believe this has an audio guided message as well, but I'll go ahead and describe this page. Each environment of iSTEM4Me has an overview page, and it just communicates the missions, the 5 missions that will be designed for the child. And each mission will focus either on technology, science, engineering, mathematics, or a hands on activity. Now, for this issue in particular, it deals with a hands on activity of making a paper airplane and just helping them understand some of the dynamics of aeronautics. But this is great because each the child will be able to have 5 missions. Now, notice within each mission, there will be activities. Some of them will include a demonstration video, some may not. A child can come back to each mission as many times as they like and continue to play the games or the simulations or the interactive activities online. And as they continue to play these activities, their skill set gets better and better, and they get stronger and stronger. And at the same time, they also build their content knowledge around what they're learning about. So let's go ahead and skip around and look at one of the missions. I'm going to move a little faster, and turn the audio
Provides you
on.
with the experience of building a simulated roller coaster, just like an engineer. In this interactive, hands on activity, you will change the momentum, modify the roller coaster's drop, and increase the speed of your roller coaster.
All right, let's go ahead and turn that off. So in mission number 3, the child will be able to actually design a roller coaster in the online environment. Now, the audio guided message will first direct the child to watch a demonstration video. So we'll do just that. Let's unmute it so that we can hear it. And we'll watch the demonstration video first so you can see how it looks. Notice how the video pops up while you're still in the environment of iSTEM4Me, and that's great as opposed to going to another page. So we keep it safe and secure, and here is the video. Let's see what happens.
Hi, my name is Agozi, and today I'm going to show you how to play the game Roller Coaster. Alright. Use pieces of track to build roller coaster for rough, from start to finish. Try to make your track both safe and exciting to ride. Next, drag pieces of track into the building area. Next,
Okay, I'll go ahead and cut the demo off. This great thing about the demo is we are asking the reader of the demo to read out loud some of the directions. That helps to build the child's literacy. And you'll see as you move through this environment that we're addressing the 21st century skills. That one of them is problem solving, another is just developing the communication skills, the technological literacy skills, and when I taught in the middle school science and math classes, I often had students pair up on a computer to complete similar web-based activities like this. So in this case, iSTEM4Me would also help a child to learn how to work in teams when completing the activities. But let's see what it looks like when you click on design now. So we have the environment popping up here. And just as the video, the demonstration video articulated, go ahead and click play now. So notice it's loading up. We're waiting to begin and then tells us to go ahead and click play. So you're going to kind of read through the audio. I'm just going to click and move forward so we can see what it looks like when you start building the activity. So the demonstration video just talks about how to actually build a roller coaster, if you will. So you can actually select track and move forward and raise it. And the demonstration video goes into more detail about that, but I just wanted to give you a taste of what it's like to actually complete an activity in the environment. So I'll go ahead and close that. So we'll go ahead and move to the next page. I believe this is our final
Now, it's
demonstration
time to
page.
see how strategic you are in using your skills of prediction.
So I'm going to go ahead and mute. Well, this concludes our demo of iSTEM4Me, and thank you for taking the time to watch this demo. And we're sure that if you decide to purchase this amazing interactive web-based learning platform for your child or your student, you won't regret it. It will definitely keep them engaged and introduce them to the amazing world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
iSTEM4Me. Thank you for taking the time to explore our self-directed, web-based learning platform, iSTEM4Me, your child's gateway to the world of STEM. And remember, don't keep this a secret. Share www.istem4me.com with your friends and family. iSTEM4Me. 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 iSTEM4Me.